Today I'm going to speak about the marketing funnel. Have you ever wondered why your ads bring in traffic but no one buys your product? You are probably skipping a very crucial part of the marketing funnel and it's costing you the conversions. Let's break it down so you never lose another lead again. Hi, my name is Nirav. I'm the co-founder at Capsicum MediaWorks, and in this video I'll walk you through the real reason your funnel might be leaking and how to fix it with a simple 3-stage strategy. So what exactly is a marketing funnel? It's the journey your audience takes from not knowing you exist to becoming a paying customer. And it's called a funnel because it narrows down. Not everyone who sees your ad will convert, but that's normal. The key is guiding people through 3 essential stages. Stage 1, awareness. Stage 2, consideration. And stage 3, the conversion. Miss any of these and your whole strategy falls apart. Number 1, let's start with awareness. This is the top of the funnel, which is also known as tofu, where strangers first discover your brand. You're not selling yet, so you're just educating and grabbing their attention. Think of it, you are publishing SEO blog posts, reels, YouTube shorts, viral content, and running cold ads with value-led content. Your goal here is to spark that curiosity and make people say, who are these guys? Don't push your product yet, build relevance and trust first. Number 2 is the consideration stage, which is also known as MOFU. Here, people are aware of your brand, but they are evaluating their options. This is where nurturing begins. Use email sequences with useful insights, do webinars and live Q&A sessions. Product comparison guides can be published, and case studies and testimonials can also be put up on social media or your website. You're answering their biggest question, is this the right fit for me or not? This is where most businesses go silent, and that's a huge mistake they make. Stay present, stay helpful. Number 3, now we reach conversions, the bottom of the funnel, also known as BOFU. Here, your audience is warmed up and ready to take action, but they need a little nudge. That's where you create high converting landing pages, persuasive copies, limited time offers, clear, benefit-driven call to action buttons which will do wonders. Make their decisions easy, remove any friction and create that confidence. Here is the problem. Most brands rush to the sale and ignore awareness and consideration. But trust takes time. It's like proposing marriage on the first date. Build the relationship first and conversion will follow naturally. Guide your audience through all these 3 funnel stages. Build trust, nurture interest, and then convert these users. Wake up, it's time to go digital. Like, share, comment, and stay tuned for more insights.